What is Islam's stance on AI? And do you think it will play a part in the New World Order? The answer is AI is extremely faulty. If anyone utilizes AI, they will realize it's extremely faulty in its information. You always need organic information. So I believe AI will be utilized by the power structure, which you have referred to as the New World Order, but I do not believe it will reach a point of finesse. And the IDF have demonstrated that sometimes they utilize artificial intelligence to track down guerrilla fighters, and they end up carrying out wrong actions by bombing innocent people. Of course, IDF, by the way, bomb innocent people on purpose. They do it on purpose. They target civilians on purpose. Piers Morgan, rubbish media, rubbish journalist, should take note. As a man of the power structure, Piers Morgan, you're a rubbish journalist, a biased man. Piers Morgan never covers the purposeful targeting, and I mean especially after October the 7th. A man who should be shameful. He should take a lesson from Julian Assange. Julian Assange is a real journalist. Pilger was a real journalist. You, Mr. Piers Morgan, are trash. You are a trash man. You are peddling trash. So that is something that Piers Morgan should know.